They're in right here.
Okay.
Perfect. We're in here talking to the guys that are on the line that are operating the speed dollies for the Triad equipment. This is Miguel. He's at the top of the table. He operates the roll cat open component table, and he feeds Labardo, who is actually the lead for the framing. Labardo, how do you like the speed dollies over the old dollies?
Eduardo, ¿cómo te gusta más los speeds rápidos automáticos que los manuales que están de aquel lado?
Louder.
They are very better, these ones, and more fast.
More fast?
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
All right, Steve Jones, Builder's First Source wall panel shop here in Hurst, Texas, production manager. Wanted to take a minute and share with you some of the data that we've collected from our speed dollies from Triad versus some of the previous dollies that we've used in the past. We've quantified 4 different areas specific to the benefits of the speed dollies over some of the older generation dollies. These were safety, fatigue, maintenance, and last but not least, of course, is production. We'll start with safety. We identified a few safety hazards with some of the older dollies that we really like the speed dollies, the way they address them. You'll see in the video the laser. I'll let you guys from Triad explain just all the benefits to the laser. Also, this eliminates 2 hands. We're able to use 1 hand with using the speed dollies. That allows us to do all of our stud alignment with a hammer with the free hand. And then last but not least, of course, is the wear and tear on the guys, just the physical aspect. The last generations were super heavy, required a lot of bench press power, a lot of core strength. The speed dollies eliminates all of the muscle needed to operate. So that gets us into the second thing that we're quantifying, and that's just user friendliness and the fatigue factor. The guys that are on these Triad line speed dolly lines are much happier. You'll hear from one of our guys who is just head over heels with the speed dolly, and believe it or not, prefers it over even a handheld gun. Which was a hurdle that we had to get over in the beginning. This all brings us to that maintenance aspect of it. The speed dolly eliminates almost all of the maintenance issues that we've seen from the previous dollies, mostly the pneumatic valve that it eliminates. This valve was super sensitive to debris in the line. We were changing them out probably every other week. The speed dolly eliminates the valve altogether. The next thing was daily we were having to make adjustments on some of the alignments and different bolts and positioning of the tool in general was a daily routine for us to tighten and realign. The speed dolly eliminates all of that. And it gives us much more consistency with nail depth. which is a huge benefit. If you can eliminate that first hour of adjustment, that's another hour of production. That it really comes into play whenever we talk about overall production value of the speed dolly. If we packaged everything together, you can see in our tracking above, we've just gone up, steadily gone up since we've had the speed dollies from August. It's just, we've steadily climbed. On days where the speed dollies and the previous dollies are both in full use and we don't have a maintenance issue on the older generation, we're tracking a consistent 10% production increase day in and day out. Not to mention the fact that guys love them. So if the guys in the back are happy, you're going to get more production out of them. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, anything you want to know about them, give us a call. Have a great day.